baby? Can you say baby brother?
Baby Bubble.
Baby Bubble. Oh, can you say baby Jackson?
Baby Dabby.
Yeah. Oh, you love him? Got your stool? Say hi, baby Jackson.
Baba.
He's Nanites, huh? Is he Nanite? Oh, you trying to touch his legs? Yeah. Oh, he's sleeping. Yeah. Do you see the horsies? See the horsies? Horsies. Yeah. Horsey, you want to turn the horsies on? Baby brother needs to wake up. Oh, baby brother. Mr. Jackson. Mr. J.
Hey.
Yeah. Say, Mr. J, wake up.
Baby.
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 Baby brother.
No.
In your stool?
Baby. Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Baby Bubble.
Baby brother.
Baby Bubble.
That's right.
Baby
Baby Brooke?
Bubble.
Yeah. Hey, Brooke, didn't you used to take night-nights in the crib, didn't you? This where you were a baby? Yeah? Oh. Oh.
Oh, baby.
Okay, say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye.